Deep cleaning dishwashers is key as they can really build up odors over time, even subtle odors, grossness that might leave film or residue or a slight smell on your dishes. Nobody wants that. So Oh Yuk just gifted me their dishwasher cleaner. This is a very well-loved dishwasher cleaner, and I cannot recommend using a dishwasher cleaner from time to time enough. Now I'm going to put this to the test with my dishwasher. I know it looks relatively clean right now, but I can tell you it's not. And the first thing you always want to do before you use one of these cleaners is take out the base of your dishwasher. I have a Miele here, but there are quite a variety and they all have this base that comes out. And you can see that mine has a lot of disgusting buildup on it. So you'll want to take this and wash it out in your sink. And if there's any specific disgusting spot in your dishwasher that you're seeing extra buildup, you can add this cleaner directly to that right now as kind of more of a spot clean before you do the full run. So let me clean this real quick and then we'll do the next step. Now I gave this a good scrub and took all the gross stuff off of it, but to truly sanitize this as well, I'm actually going to leave this in here with the cleaner and I'm just going to put it in the bottom drawer and then put that in. Now you want to put this cleaner into the dispenser and not just into the dishwasher, and there is a very key reason for that, and that's that the dishwasher has two modes, or at least most dishwashers these days do. And the first mode is it's going to do a quick rinse of all the dishes and then assess how dirty the water is at the bottom. And as it assesses that water, it is going to adapt the cleaning to what its assessment is. This is why you really shouldn't rinse your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher, as it'll mean the dishwasher will do a less strong cleaning. But once it does that assessment, it flushes that first run of rinsed water out, and then it opens this dispenser, and the rest of the time it uses what's in the dispenser and fresh water to do the full cleaning. So if you're just squirting this into the base of your dishwasher, it's just going to get flushed out at the start and not be used for the cleaning. So I'm just going to add 4 ounces of this directly into the dispenser here. And the only reason they recommend to throw maybe a little bit into the bottom is that means during that initial cycle it could sit in the bottom for a little bit if there's extra grossness in there, but I'm not too concerned about that. So I'm going to pour this in. And this is very liquidy, more like a water, not a syrup or gel. Goes in nicely, sealed up. And then to run it, you'll definitely want to run it on as heavy of a wash as you can. So I'm going to go for pots and pans and start it up. Now it just finished running. It's nice and hot, super fresh. I can already tell that this is squeaky clean and notably cleaner than it was before. And yes, all I need to do now is put this piece back in the bottom. It's now super clean too. Everything in here is perfect. And all I need to do was add some Oh Yuk and let it run. I love that using this regularly will keep my dishwasher fresh and clean, meaning that all of my dishes will stay cleaner too. It's going to prevent that buildup, prevent that grime, prevent any slight smell or taste that might be left on my dishes after cleaning. This is so worth it. I definitely recommend Oh Yuk's dishwasher cleaner. I know you're going to love this.